experience here at Delphi was very encouraging and enlightening. The teacher itself, the professor itself was very extremely knowledgeable.
Training was good. Mr. Rashid, he was our trainer, so he's almost like 45 plus years experience, what he said. So yeah, he's good. And for us also, 2 days passed like this. We were not feeling bored anywhere in between. That okay, we are feeling dizzy or something like that after having the heavy lunch also. So the things were good. It was quite informative session. We learned lots of new things. Our team has been in finance and using Excel more than 10 years. Yeah. Everybody. But still there were so many updates and so much information that we got, and the training was very helpful.
It was very informative, very explanatory, in-depth explained, and a great value addition for us all.
Training is good, it's very informative and useful.
2 days of Excel training with Mr. Rashid, and honestly it has been a very fruitful 2 days of training where we learned from the basic up to the advanced in a very simple and easy way. I really appreciate his time and thank you very much.